This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Download the Kraken Wallet app from the official App Store and verify the publisher name and package integrity before opening it. Choose Create New Wallet and set a 6-digit PIN. Enable biometric unlock if your device supports it to balance convenience and security. The app will generate a 12-word seed phrase. Generate and write down the 12-word seed phrase on paper and store it offline in a secure place, not on a phone or cloud service. After initial setup, immediately create at least one encrypted backup and one offline paper copy of the seed. Encrypt a backup file with a strong password and store it in 2 separate secure locations, such as a hardware encrypted drive and a safe. Never share the 12-word seed phrase with anyone or online. Keep copies physically separate to avoid single points of failure. Test wallet recovery by restoring the seed on a second device before funding so you confirm backups work and you understand the restore steps. To fund your wallet, copy the receive address and always select the correct network. Select the correct network, for example ERC20 for Ethereum tokens, when sending tokens to avoid irreversible loss. Send a small test deposit such as 0.001 ETH first to confirm everything, then send larger amounts. Use the built-in swap or connect via Wallet Connect if needed, monitor gas fees, keep wallet software updated, and revoke unknown token approvals regularly to reduce smart contract risk and maintain secure daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.